Hello Reddit, in this video I'm going to show you the quickest way to learn 10 new words a day, every day in Spanish. So I have the MovieMethod app open and I'm just going to click the big green button to add new cards.
Soy Jason Bourne.
And we get this little movie clip. So the target word here is soy. I hope I'm saying that right. And I can flick between other sentences for this target word. So if I just tap anywhere on the right,
El gym?
and now I'm getting the word in a different form. I can tap again.
Es Bourne.
Another Jason Bourne clip, and basically my job here is just to pick the clip I like, pick the clip that speaks to me, and then I can just swipe it.
¡Aléjese de mí!
So same thing. I'm just trying to
Yo
find
soy
a clip
Batman.
I like. Maybe this one. Swipe right.
¿Estás en Londres?
Now, if I already know this word, estas, I can just swipe to the left, and that skips the word, not the top. So we're onto a new word here, and let me just see what we
Hecho.
want, and I'll swipe right.
¡Suéltame! ¡Ya!
¿Puedo?
¿Puedo?
Vámonos.
Vístete.
¿Por mí? ¿Tienes sed?
Para nosotros.
¡Como yo!
No lo es.
Bacon Lake. Smith, sé que estás...
Ven con nosotros.
Lo he visto.
Ya no tengo más.
And
Soy yo.
I think that should be enough words. So now I have 9 new cards to learn. So I can actually add one more, make it up to 10.
Este soy yo.
Yeah, and I'll add that Ratatouille one. And I click Learn New.
Se fue.
And then, see, I've already learned 2 cards today. So what we're going to do is, this is a new card. So I just click Good.
Yo soy Batman.
And these are just flashcards. If you've used Anki, you know. And I can tap on a word to get a dictionary definition. You can't do that in Anki.
Hecho.
¡Suéltame! ¡Ya! ¿Tienes sed?
So if I want to know tienes, to have. I'm guessing this is thirst. And then we go.
¡Como yo!
Ven con nosotros.
Lo he visto.
Ya no tengo más.
Este soy yo.
Se fue.
Yo soy Batman.
And now we're seeing the same cards again. If you've used Anki, you'll know this is how it works. You see it once, you're learning it, and then this time when I tap good, it's going to be in my reviews in 1 day. It says it on the button.
Hecho.
¡Suéltame! ¡Ya! ¿Tienes sed? ¡Como yo!
Ven con nosotros.
Lo he visto.
Ya no tengo más.
Este soy yo.
And that's it, done. So that's if you're a total beginner. If you already know some Spanish, then all you do is when you're on the add cards screen, if you swipe left 5
Tenemos a todos.
saying, I know this
Pero no
word,
lo soy.
I know this
Yo no lo
word,
dije.
I know this word.
Él es un conquistador.
I know this word. And then you get this heat map. And what you're going to do is, it just says tap any word you don't know. And if you know all these words, if you're maybe intermediate level, you would just say, I know all these words. And you look through these words, and maybe you find one you don't know. I'll tap one. And then what you're going to say is you're going to say, I don't know this word. And that's going to put you in at a different level. And the algorithm is constantly getting smarter. So it's always going to try and give you sentences that we call I+1, like just one new word. In this case, it would be alcanzando. And that's what, and so you'll also see at the bottom of the screen, it says known words 34. So after you've used this app for a month or so, it'll be much smarter and it'll recommend you really perfect sentences for you to learn. Like, and that's the whole goal, is to always be showing you the next best sentence for you to learn, which has just one new word. So whether you're beginner or advanced, the algorithm is going to figure that out. You don't need to say I'm intermediate. Like it'll put you in at the right level, or it constantly tries to get you to the right level, basically, so you don't have to worry about it. So I can look here.
Ahora los alcanzaremos.
¿Cómo los alcanzaremos?
And add it to my deck. And now
Aquí, en tu cabeza.
you see, now I'm at a different level, so I'm getting more complex sentences.
Esta historia es muy antigua.
Dije que te calles.
Tiene derecho de saber. Conozco mi...
Y tienen derecho.
No tienes derecho a decir. Conozco mis derechos.
De hecho, ahí nos conocimos.
And if I want, I can even tap this little thing which says 30, and I can see a lot of cards for hecho. And I can add multiple. So if I wanted to add like a lot of these cards to my deck, I can just add 5 cards at once.
Esperemos que solo venga de paso.
And there you go. That's pretty much it. So it's like Anki, but much better for language learning. And you see this little green dot up near the top left. It actually syncs. It has a smart sync feature, so you can use it offline, and when you come back online, it'll sync up. And you can switch phones, and it'll all sync. So you're not tied to one device at all. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, have fun with it.